Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My name is Rebecca. What is your name?
Uh, my name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Nice to meet you. How can I help you today?
Basically, I am interested to get some confidence while speaking.
hmm
So, for that, you have to ask me a few questions and I will be answering you.
Fantastic. Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yes, sure. So, I am a software developer. I develop websites and
Yeah.
mobile apps.
Wow, that's cool.
Yes. Your
Brilliant.
your pronunciation is very great, you know.
Thank you. That's very kind. That's very kind.
That
And
is that is American accent or any other accent? English accent.
it's English, so I'm from England.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes. And so how long have you been a software developer?
I'm working from last 3 years.
3 years. That's very cool. And do you have any hobbies that you like to do?
Yes, hobbies are like doing coding all the time and also communicating on the Cambly. So these are the few things these are helping me to become more relaxed and all.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like
Yeah. What's your favorite movie?
Pursuit of Happiness.
Okay. I have heard of it, but I've not watched it. Can you tell me a bit more about it?
Yes, the best part was like when you have nothing and you have to start struggling. So at that moment, you should not lose hope. You have to keep going. And it doesn't matter that if you have any type of skill and don't have that type of personality, then somehow you will reach to your destination.
Yeah.
So that there was an amazing interview. So over there, I found that you must have a positive approach uh,
Yeah.
to solve any type of problem.
Absolutely. Definitely. Definitely. That's a very good film to like as well. Do you have any other films that you like to watch?
Which other film?
Do you have any other movies that you like to watch?
Yes, mostly I like to watch business movies. So
Yeah.
there were a few movies which someone has recommended me, like Wolf of Wall Street, but that was
Yeah.
not so good because
Yeah.
there was a lot of negativity and
Mhm.
there was small part where I found that there is a positive aspect. So the positive aspect was like we can encourage our employees and boost their confidence. And being a leader, we must have that type of risk-taking capabilities. So that type of things I learned from that.
That's
Do
fair.
you have you
Yes.
watched that?
Wolf of Wall Street. Yes, I have. I agree with you. I didn't like it either. It did make me quite sad because it's based on real life, isn't it?
Yes, yes, but they are also including the part that you have to do the lot of enjoyment. And I know that this is important, but this should not be that much destructive. the
Yes.
the culture that they have made in their company, so that was really a worst part for the
Mm.
sake of entertainment. Yeah.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Well, that's very good. And apart from coronavirus, do you like to travel? Do you like to go on holiday?
Yes, I like to. So I like to visit the places where we have calmness. There should not be any type of traffic and all. So
Yes, yeah.
those type of places we have in our hometown and all. Hometown, yes.
Oh, lovely. That sounds really nice. Have you been to any other countries before?
No, I am in my country itself, so never visited any other. So have you visited in India?
No, I haven't been to India before, but I would like to go, definitely. That would be really cool. Is
And,
it very
and,
hot
and,
where you are?
yes, yes. No,
Mm.
it's not too hot. We have a normal an environment here. So your profession is as an English teacher, or you are doing something else?
So I recently did my master's degree at university. So I'm teaching on Cambly as well, which I really enjoy. But I would also like to do some archaeology. So that's what I did for my master's degree. So I'd like to do some teaching and archaeology.
And you are married?
No, but I have a partner.
Okay, so I mean, you are about 30 or you are about 25?
I am under 25.
Until 25.
Yes, yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Yes, yes, yeah, definitely, definitely. So if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Yes, that is Saudi Arabia.
Why is that?
It is because we have a lot of places there which are like historical places. So I wanted to visit there because in our religious books there are a lot of things I read about, but I wanted to visit over there.
Yes, yes. Oh, that's good. That's very interesting. And so do you prefer a more adventurous holiday or a more relaxing holiday?
Yes, yes. Actually, when I was working in my company, so over there they had some, I mean, picnics and all.
Hmm.
So we had the type of adventurous holidays.
Okay, yes, very nice. What did you do on your adventurous holidays?
There were different rides, and uh, those were really, I mean, I found those things for the first time, and there was a lot of risk in that.
Okay, yes, very nice. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, enjoyed when I start riding, but at that moment when it runs at their peak level, so I afraid from the rotation, that if somehow this is going to be broken, then it's not possible to live live
Yes,
again.
that's
Yeah.
true. Yes, definitely, definitely. Fantastic. So, what do you think holidays will be like in the future?
Yeah, I am working on my spirituality, so I
Mm.
want that I should spend my holidays in such a way that I could able to analyze myself, self introspect, and all. So yeah, these are the few things that I am interested to develop.
Fantastic. That sounds amazing.
And
Um,
what about you?
in what way? What about me?
I mean, you are also visiting in different places to for the sake of picnic and all.
So at the moment we can't travel because of coronavirus, so we're having to stay inside. So I can't do any traveling at the moment, but hopefully soon. That would be really nice. Yes, yeah. But what do you think traveling will be like in 1,000 years' time?
I am not able to understand your question. Sorry.
That's okay. Or what will holidays be like in hundreds of years' time?
Still not able to get your
That's
question.
okay. Let me type
100
it
years
in.
time, 100 years time means 100 years back or after 100 years, how it would be?
So after 100 years, so after a very long time, what do you think holidays will be like?
Okay, so people will not have much time to spend any other place except the phone.
So you think people will be on the phone all the time?
Yes, yes, because this is a lot of time they are consuming on social media, YouTube, and other things. So I don't think that they will have the time to spend anywhere else.
Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. What about space travel? Do you think people will be going to space more?
Yes, those who has amount, I mean enough amount to spend for that, so they are
Hmm.
interested to.
Yes, so if they have enough money, you think
Yes,
people will be able to go to space. Would
yes.
you like to go to space?
Space, you mean Mars or what?
Yeah, in the universe.
Actually,
So,
I only travel by air from one place to another place, but I never. I'm not interested to visit any other planet like Mars and all, because there is a huge risk that if we are going
mm,
from here to Mars and maybe we'll not return back.
yes, that's true. That's true. And what about aliens? What do you think of aliens?
Yes, according to research and Elon Musk, just like Elon Musk is saying,
Hmm.
so according to them, I think that aliens exists, but I am not sure because I have never seen with the naked eyes. I found some videos on YouTube where the people are saying that these are the aliens, like they are much more advanced than us, so
Hmm.
in that way, I have a belief on them, but I have never seen with my own naked eyes, so I cannot say about them that how they are and what they are doing.
Yeah. Okay. So, what would you say to an alien if an alien landed right now? What would you say to the alien?
I will try to observe and try to learn about them
Yes. Yeah.
before doing anything else. Otherwise, they will
Yeah.
kill us.
Yes. Yes. That's true. That's true. What do you think you would say?
I mean, I you are saying that what question I would have at that moment.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
I don't have any specific question, but first of all, I will try to uh, create a good communication with them.
Yes.
So in,
Definitely.
in in that way, I will try to explore about them, that how they are living and what they are doing, and I mean how much advanced they are.
Yes. Yes. That's good. That's very good. So let's change the subject. Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I enjoy music.
Fantastic. What music do you like?
I like the music which are in the background of ghazal, which is our local music.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Very nice. Why do you like that music?
I like that because that music give me the insight of my own self.
So it makes you happy.
Yes, happy and just
Ah,
I forget about everything which is in my surrounding, and I just uh, deep dive into myself.
mm. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Is there any music that you don't like?
Yes, I don't like those music which make me more sad.
So sad music.
Yes,
Yes. Yes. That I'm the same. So why don't you like sad music?
because they are creating sadness in me, and
Yes. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Fantastic. And what do you think the future of music will be like?
In India, the people are trying to make the music like Western music, so they are trying to entertain the people in that way.
Mm-hmm.
So, according to the entertainment level of the people, the music would be upgraded.
Okay. So do you think there'll be more electronic instruments being
Yes, yes,
used?
of course.
Yes, yeah. And what do you think about virtual reality? Do you think music will be used in virtual reality?
Yes, I am not much aware about virtual reality, but yes, that would be more advanced and will reach to that level.
Yes. So, any other ways that you can think that music will be good in the future?
Just like you already said that they are just shifting from physical to electronic. So obviously that artificial intelligence and there are other technologies, so those would be used in that and to make it more advanced.
Very good, very good. I think we're just coming to the end of our session. It was really lovely to meet you and to speak to you today. I hope you have a lovely day.
Thank you, thanks for your time.
Thank you. No problem at all. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.